Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson, we're drawing Ninji from Super Mario Galaxy. So let's start in the center page with the eyes. Let's leave a gap in the center. We start on the left side with a straight angled line, going up and then out. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing, going up in the opposite direction. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So on the left side, we're going to step in, we're going to draw an oval. Coming down, round this out, and just pull that up toward the inside. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, and then tuck that up underneath. Now I want to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw the opening of the mask. I'm going to start on top left. I'm going to bend this up in the middle and bend that down towards the right. Let's round out the side. Going back to the left, curve this around like a bracket and then in towards the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. Then we're going to close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then back up. Let's add a trim going on the outside. So I'm just going to trace this. Going up, just leaving an even space gap all the way around. Go back to the left side, and then the right. And we'll close off the bottom with another curve. Now let's go out to the side and draw the top of the head. We're going to start on the left side, right here. Bend this up, round up the head, go across, and then bend that down towards the right, towards the same height. Let's add a seam, starting in the center, draw a straight line coming down towards that trim. Now I'm going to go over towards the side and draw those large ears. Let's start on the left, we're going to bend this up, and then out, line this up on the right. Now we're just going to round at the end, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now on the left side, we're going to leave a gap and close out the side of the body. We're going to come down and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right, coming down towards the side, come down and then in. Now you leave another gap, move to the center, add a curve from left to right, coming across the body and then up. Now let's continue this line underneath the head, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to stick the arms in around that gap. So on the left, I'm going to step up, bend the arm going out, and then down, round out the arm, and then bend that back in toward the side. Let's take that arm and flip it over on the right, starting from the top, going out, and then down, round up the arm, and then bend that back in. Now we're going to stick the legs in underneath, leaving a large gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. And I'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up. And then we want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we want to leave a gap on the inside. Let's go back up to the side of the body. Step up to create a fold. We're going to bend the leg going out and then in on top of the feet. Let's go back down to the bottom. We're going to add a thick sole. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And now we're going to go back to the center of the body. We're going to add those two large buttons. Let's start with a circle on the left from the very top. Go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Drawing that same size circle, coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's trace the buttons along the inside. So we're going to leave a thin trim going all the way around. And then in the center of the buttons, we're going to add two smaller circles. So one on the left, and then one on the right. and little Sana art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's her draw Ninji from Super Mario Galaxy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you enjoy sketch illustration, then come visit our sketch club on School. Right now you can get a free 7-day trial to try out all our courses. I'll leave the link down in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.